Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Scotiabank debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Scotiabank debit card and confirm your name and the card number look correct. Next, locate your card's PIN mailer or temporary PIN information if it was provided separately. Now, prepare one valid photo ID in case the bank or ATM asks for identity verification. Make sure you are in a safe place and do not share your PIN or card details with anyone. If your card has a sticker with activation instructions, read it carefully before starting. Choose the easiest activation method for you: Scotiabank ATM, phone banking, or in-branch support. For ATM activation, go to a Scotiabank ATM that you trust and preferably one inside a branch. Insert your debit card into the ATM with the chip facing the correct direction. When prompted, enter your temporary PIN or the PIN you were given with the card. Select any basic transaction option shown on the screen, such as balance inquiry. Follow the on-screen prompts until the ATM confirms your card is ready to use. If the ATM asks you to change your PIN, create a new 4-digit PIN that is hard to guess. Do not use common PINs like 1234, 0000, your birth year, or repeating numbers. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm, then wait for the ATM to finalize the change. Take your card back and ensure you also collect any printed receipt if you requested one. For phone activation, call the official Scotiabank phone number listed on the back of your card. Use your own phone and avoid calling numbers found in random emails or messages. When the automated system answers, choose the option for card activation or debit card services. Enter the required information, such as your card number and personal verification details. If a representative answers, confirm you are calling to activate your debit card. Answer the security questions exactly as they appear on your bank profile. If asked, confirm your address or date of birth to complete verification. Ask the agent to confirm that the card is activated and ready for purchases and ATM use. If you need to set or change your PIN, follow the agent's instructions carefully. For in-branch activation, bring your debit card and your ID to your nearest Scotiabank branch. Tell the teller or advisor you need help activating a new debit card. They may verify your identity and activate the card or guide you to an ATM to finish setup. After activation, make a small test purchase or check your balance to confirm everything works. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.